Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens. We're here to do some deals of the week for the 8th through the 14th of, I keep wanting to say September, but January. We've got some pretty good deals. I'm really excited about Dawn and Febreze, and of course the Moneymaker toothbrushes. So we got a good amount of deals to choose from this week, that's for sure. I'll only be doing one transaction today because I don't have any paper boosters and I only have a spend $50, get back $10 and Walgreens cash booster. But if you only have something like that and you only want to do a couple of deals, don't feel that you need to actually utilize those boosters if they're not that great. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out in the store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're grabbing this week is my favorite deal this week, and that is going to be some Dawn and some Febreze. They're part of a promotion this week where you buy 4 household products, you will get back a $5 register reward. It includes things like Dawn, Febreze, I do believe Swiffer, and Tide. But I want Dawn because we never get Dawn. So the Dawn is on sale for $3.99 this week. So we are going to grab 2 of these Dawn Easy Squeezes. You can either grab the platinum or the regular. I am going for the platinum. So then we're going to go over and we're going to grab 2 of the Febrezes. I am grabbing 2 of these heavy duty ones that are priced at $3.99 a piece as well. So for the 4 products, your total will equal out to $15.96. We're going to use a $3.30 off of 2 digital coupon that we all got last week in our app, but I clipped it last week. So if it's not available in your app anymore, it's because it was available last week and lots of people clipped it. So we're going to use a $3.30 off of 2 digital coupon for the Febreze. That will bring our total down to $12.66. We'll get back a $5 register reward, making all 4 products just $7.66. You can pay with Walgreens cash or other register rewards to help lower your out-of-pocket when you do this deal if you do it by itself. So next we're going to do a Moneymaker deal because the Ibotta rebate is still available. But we're going to grab these toothbrushes that are on sale for $3 a piece. They're also buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. A couple things I want to mention before I tell you the breakdown on this if you're not familiar with this. This deal for the $3 toothbrushes and the buy 2, get back a $4 register reward is a monthly deal. It's going until January 28th. Also, these $3 toothbrushes and this deal that I'm doing right now is not one of the deals of the week. So if you do the $4 toothbrushes, it will be the same as if you do the Aussie or the Dove deodorant and things like that. So like I said, these are $3 a piece and they're buy 2, get back $4 in register rewards. I'm grabbing the Scentsy Soft variety here, and the 2 of these will equal out to $6. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you will want to clip on your app. After the $2 digital, it'll cost $4. You'll get back a $4 register reward, and that is a manufacturer's register reward. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're going to get back $2 on each one of these, making them both free and a $4 Moneymaker. I was so surprised that my store had so many of these left in stock, and the Ibotta rebate was still available to use. So on my app, when I was looking at the rebate, it didn't show any time left on the rebate, so anybody should still be able to do this deal. So then next we're going to grab the Nivea body wash. This week they're on sale for $5, plus when you buy 3 of them, you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So of course we're going to pick up 3. Unfortunately, my store doesn't have very many kinds, so I'm just going to grab whatever. And then the 3 of these will equal out to $15. We're going to use a couple of coupons on this. We're going to use a 4 off 2 body wash coupon and a $1.50 off of 1 body wash coupon that come from the 1-1 save insert. That's going to bring our total down to $9.50. But we'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $4.50 for the 3 of them. And you can also pay with Walgreens cash on this deal, or use register rewards, or a mixture of both if you really want to get this deal down to almost nothing. So next we're going to grab some Aussie products. My store isn't marked, so I scanned the Instant Freeze, and that is on sale for $4. When you buy 2, you will get back a $4 register reward. So the 2 of these will equal out to $8. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that we can use. You will pay $5 and get back a $4 register reward, making both of them just $1. And I think that is a really good deal for styling products. And then we're going to grab the Purex. The Purex is on sale too for $6 this week. No coupons, no rewards back. But when you submit your receipt to Ibotta, you'll get back $1 for each one of them, making them just 2 for $4. And if you are really in need of laundry soap, this is a good deal for you. So this is everything that we're getting in the spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. I am going to be using a few register rewards on this. I also did get in my next transaction, I did get a spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash paper booster that I'm going to use with it. So the next deal I did is just something that I wanted to grab because it's a decent deal. Plus I was hoping to trigger a spend booster. So with the L'Oreal Cosmetics, they're part of a promotion where you spend $15, you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. But with this deal in store only, you'll actually get back a $5 store register reward. So they are buy one, get one, 50% off. I'm grabbing the Bambi Eye Mascara at $12.49 a piece. So one will be $12.49, and then one of them will be $6.25. That'll equal out to $18.74. I have a $5 off of 2 digital coupon that I'm going to use. Then my total will be $13.74. I will get back $5 register reward, and that will make both of these $8.74, which I think is a fantastic deal. So let's go out to the car and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and everything went okay. I had an issue with a cashier. She's not a cashier. She is a manager, or like a manager in charge. She's not like the store manager. She's just one of the managers here. And she sometimes will give me issues with the wording on the coupon. And I really wish it wasn't like that with this one manager. All the other managers, even the store manager, no issues at all. Just this one. And I only had the 2 paper coupons for the Nivea, a 4 off of 2 and $1.50 off of 1. I have never in my life had a problem with a cashier or even a manager in the 14 years that I've couponed, that if you have 2 separate coupons like that, then it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? If it's a limit of 1 of the coupon. So you're using 2 separate coupons, so it doesn't matter. But she got caught up on the wording that said 2 like coupons or 2 like products. She kept going back, the 2 like products, and I'm like, the newspaper, the manufacturer puts the coupons out this way so that we can use them this way. And I just didn't argue. She says, well, scan them and see if they work. Well, of course they worked. They're for the correct products. It doesn't matter. That part doesn't matter. But this one manager thinks that if it scans and the system takes it, then it works. But we all know that with coupons, it doesn't work that way. But anyways, of course they scanned, and of course I was able to use them. But she said, I'll let it go this one time. I'm like, thanks so much for letting it go this one time. Anywho, so I did 2 transactions. I did the L'Oreal. That is just, I really like that Bambi Eye Mascara. So I wanted to do that. And I wanted to do that also to see if I'd get a paper booster. I could have gotten like a pop or something like that, but I wanted to do an actual deal. Maybe that would trigger had a chance of getting it even more than just say getting a pop or some candy or whatever. So I did that, and I did want to report to you that I did get a booster. So I did get a paper booster, but then I also got back this $5 off your next purchase of participating eye cosmetics. And we all know that these coupons typically will scan on everything. So it'll be just like using that $5 coupon I got last week for the medicine. So I'm happy to get this, although it does say online that if you buy 2 and you do it as a curbside pickup, or if you do it ship to home, ship to store, you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. But just in store, you will get paper. So if you want to do it as a curbside pickup, you absolutely can. And like I said, I did get back a paper booster of spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash. So I definitely used it on this transaction. So I got the Purex, I got the Oral-B, the Dawn and Febreze, the Nivea body wash, and the Aussie gel. So here is my receipt. You can see the point booster, and then those first 3 coupons there are register rewards. So I did use $14 in register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket. I have the 2 paper coupons for the Nivea body wash. Then I have 3 digital coupons that come off, which were the ones that I was expecting to come off. So I had a $3.30 coupon for the Febreze, a $3 coupon for the Aussie, and a $2 coupon for the Oral-B. That brought my total down to $23.16. Add in that register reward, or add in those register rewards that I used, my total is $37.16. I got back $24 in Walgreens cash, and I got that back because of the paper booster for $9 and the digital for $10, and then I got back $5 for the Nivea body wash. Then I got back some register rewards. I got back a $5 register reward for the, what's it called? The Dove? No, I'm sorry. It's for the Dawn and the Febreze. So happy about that. I might do that deal again because I really like the Dawn. I also got back a $4 register reward for the Oral-B, and then I did not get back a $4 register reward for the Aussie. So what the store did is they did issue me $5 in Walgreens cash, but I'm only going to count it as $4 because if the deal or whatever happens and you get your $4 register reward back, then you're only getting $4 back. You're not getting $5 back. So I don't ever count that when they do that, because here they either will give me $5 or $10 in Walgreens cash. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $6 on Ibotta for the Purex, $1 for each one of the Purexes, and $2 for each one of the toothbrushes. That makes everything that I got in that transaction free and a $5.84 moneymaker. And I'm really, really happy with that. To get Dawn and it be a $5.84 moneymaker. I also got back one of these 20% off coupons. I really want to use this and get the Native body wash because that is full price and it's buy two, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So anyways, maybe I'll go back in there and get some stuff. We'll see. But anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. If I do go back in there, I might add it on to the video. I might not. You just never know. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.